Welcome to Shivas Grow Garden. We provide tips and information on growing large plants in small containers right from your balcony using our supreme plant nutrients. Learn the secrets of vegan gardening and discover how you too can grow any type plant without using any chemicals or animal products. So let's get down to the source of things and learn the secrets of vegan gardening success. But before we do, please give us a thumbs up because I know you're going to like this. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos and hit that notification button, please. Thank you.
Hey everybody, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everybody. Hope you all doing fine and great. Today I want to get with you and tell you a little bit of something about soybean, right? And a great fertilizer that you can make. Soybean is almost a perfect food. It has all 9 essential amino acids. It has 73% protein, 70% phosphorus, 51% potassium. Loads of sulfur, Auxins and Gibberellins, and of course silica. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to show you how to extract these nutrients from these beans, from soybeans. And as you can see, I got soybeans here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them in a pot, right? And I have that's 200 grams of soy, and I'm going to add 400 grams of water, right? Just add 400 grams of water and a pinch of cinnamon, and also 1 squirt from peroxide, 3%. I use the cinnamon because it's antifungal as well as the peroxide. So what you do, you just let it sit overnight, right? Stir it up a little bit, let it sit overnight, and tomorrow morning I'll make another video and I'll show you what to do with it. Okay? Thank you. So here we go again. Here's the soybean, right? I let it soak overnight, and this is what it looks like, right? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the consistency. So it basically should be so where if I, with my hand, I can squeeze it with my finger, right? See how that's doing? I squeeze it with my finger, and that means that it is soft enough so I can puree it, put it in the blender. So that's what I have to do now, because what I'm doing is I'm extracting the sulfur content from it, which means that I have already steamed it to where it is now, so it is soft as it is now. I steamed it. It took about a couple of hours to do that. So now I'm going to blend it, right? I'm going to put it in a pot, and I'm going to blend it. I'm going to add 300 milliliters of water, right? And I'm going to blend it for you, but that's going to take a few minutes, so I'll get back with you in a little bit. All right, ciao. So here we go again. With this type of fertilizer, what you have to do is usually you soak it, then you boil it, and then you blend it. But in this case, like I said, we want to get the sulfur, so I'm steaming them, right? So the outer shell will retain the nutrients that I need, the sulfur, for instance. So as you can see, I've already finished blending it. And it should be a pretty thick consistency, right? And I always say, whatever size jar you use, make sure you don't fill it completely up. Never fill it completely up, right? So this is the blended soybean, right? So what I do next is I add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, right? 1 tablespoon. I just stir it a little bit, like this. That's enough. So what you do next is you have to cover it and put it in a dark place, but do not put a top on it like this, right? You have to have a breathable top. So I use this cloth. I put the cloth on it like that, and then I put a rubber band on it. So now I have my fertilizer. It's finished. So you let it sit for 10 days. And once it's finished, after the 10 days, then you mix 1 to 1,000, which means you mix 10 milliliters to 1 liter of water. Okay? I hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions, just ask me. I'll be glad to help you. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, we're concerned with growing plants from your balcony chemically free and getting the best results that you can. Our products will help you achieve this goal. And as you can see, our plants thrive on Shivas Grow nutrients. So why not join our master class to get the rest of the story on caring for plants organically and see how we do it here at Shivas. So stay tuned for our next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and get access to our merch, discounts on our products, books, tools, and much, much more. Thank you.